We all know the difficulty in keeping conservatory windows clean. The glass can be hard to reach, you might not have the time, and it's expensive to hire a window cleaner. Plus, if you've got a polycarbonate roof, it can be even harder to clean. And you also have to put up with the sound of the rain! The frustration is you may have a great view outside, but with dirty windows, you won't be able to enjoy it. But thanks to our self-cleaning glass, Pilkington Activ, your windows can now take care of themselves. With over 180 years of experience in the glass and glazing industry, we've established ourselves as the world's leading glass manufacturer. So it's no wonder that we produced the world's first dual-action, self-cleaning glass. Pilkington Activ can be used on almost all exterior applications. It can be fitted as easily as standard glass and is just as useful in commercial buildings as it is in domestic. But the benefits don't end there. Not only are conservatories hard to clean, but they can also get very hot, especially in the summer. So, we developed a unique solar control glass, which we then combined with our self-cleaning glass to bring you Pilkington Activ Blue. The appealing blue tint not only offers excellent aesthetics and light transmission, but with the right ventilation, it also helps to keep internal temperatures down. And this is how it works. The self-cleaning active coating is chemically bonded to the glass during manufacturing. This coating is permanent and has been designed to last the lifetime of the glazing unit. With exposure to UV rays from natural daylight, the coating is activated and will then begin to break down and loosen the organic dirt. Then when it rains, the coating creates a sheeting effect which allows the water to flow down the glass and wash away the dirt. Plus, because the glass works by using minimal daylight, it continues to clean when it's cloudy. And by storing enough energy, it even performs through the night, meaning that it works non-stop, 24 hours a day. When it comes to keeping internal temperatures down, the glass works in a two-stage process, reducing heat transmission through absorption and reflectance. Firstly, the surface of the glass reflects away some of the sun's rays. The blue tint then absorbs the sun's energy and then emits it away from the building. In winter, however, when the conditions change, the glass allows sufficient light and gentle heat through whenever it's needed most. By combining this with an energy-saving glass like Pilkington K glass, it'll keep more of the heat in. To directly compare Pilkington Activ to standard float glass, we sprayed a pane of each with a solution specially formulated to simulate the sort of organic dirt that you'd find on windows. We then filmed both for 30 hours. At the end of the trial, the benefits of Pilkington Activ are obvious. After the natural daylight had broken down the organic dirt, the rain washed it away to leave minimal marks that will continue to be broken down. The standard pane, however, remained dirty and the rainwater left marks all over the surface. Thanks to our ongoing research and development, it's no wonder that we're the market leaders in glass manufacturing. And with Pilkington Activ Blue, our level of dedication is clear to see. For more information on Pilkington Activ Blue, log on to our website, and you could soon be admiring the view.